What if I told you that everything you know about the tallest mountain on Earth is wrong? We've all been taught that Mount Everest, the majestic peak in the Himalayas, holds the title. And in a way, that's true. Its summit is the highest point above sea level on our entire planet. But what if highest isn't the same as tallest? Let's dive deep literally to uncover the real giant of our world. Imagine you're standing at the base of a mountain, looking up at its towering peak. That entire distance, from the very bottom to the very top, is its true height, right? Well, when we say Mount Everest is 8,848 meters tall, we're measuring from sea level, which is a bit like starting to measure a skyscraper from the 10th floor. Everest grew on the already high Tibetan Plateau, giving it a huge head start. So, while it reaches the highest altitude, it's not the tallest from its actual base. So where is this true champion? To find it, we need to travel thousands of miles from the Himalayas to the middle of the vast Pacific Ocean. Welcome to Hawaii, a paradise known for its beautiful beaches, lush forests, and volcanoes. Two of these volcanoes, Mauna Kea and Mauna Loa, are the real contenders for the title of the tallest mountain on Earth. From the surface, Mauna Kea rises an impressive 4,207 meters above the sea. It's high enough to get snow in the winter, which is how it got its name, meaning White Mountain in Hawaiian. It's already a massive mountain just looking at what's above the water. But the incredible part, the part that shatters the record, is what lies hidden beneath the waves. The base of Mauna Kea rests deep on the ocean floor. If you could drain all the water from the Pacific, you'd see a mountain of truly epic proportions. The portion of Mauna Kea submerged underwater is nearly 6,000 meters tall. So, when you add the part above the sea to the part below, Mauna Kea's total height from base to peak is a staggering 10,210 meters, or over 10.2 kilometers. Let's put that into perspective. Mount Everest stands at about 8.8 kilometers tall from sea level. Mauna Kea is almost 1.5 kilometers taller. It's so massive that its weight has actually pushed down the oceanic crust beneath it. It's a true geological titan, born from countless volcanic eruptions over hundreds of thousands of years, building itself up layer by layer from the deep seabed. So why does Everest get all the glory? It all comes down to definitions. If we're talking about the peak with the highest elevation, the one that gets you closest to the cruising altitude of a jetliner, then yes, Mount Everest is the undisputed king. Climbing it is one of humanity's greatest athletic and mountaineering challenges, pushing the limits of human endurance in the death zone where oxygen is dangerously thin. But if we're talking about the sheer vertical scale of a single geological feature, from its absolute base to its summit, then Mauna Kea is the true tallest mountain. Most of its incredible size is just hidden from plain sight, a silent giant resting in the deep ocean. There's even another contender, depending on how you measure. Mount Chimborazo in Ecuador has a peak that is the farthest point from the Earth's center. Because our planet bulges at the equator, Chimborazo's summit is over 2 kilometers farther from the Earth's core than Everest's peak. So, you could argue it's the highest in a different way. It just goes to show that there's always more to learn about our amazing planet. Things we take for granted often have a more complex and fascinating story. The tallest mountain isn't in the Himalayas. It's a volcanic island in the Pacific. It reminds us that sometimes, the greatest wonders and biggest truths are the ones hidden just beneath the surface, waiting to be discovered. What do you think? Should Mauna Kea be recognized as the tallest mountain? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey to the deep, don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures into the unknown.